The unit is a rear entry. It has 2 recliners and a sleeper sofa. Having the rear entry made it feel a lot more open in the slide out area. Because you're walking in at the back of the unit, it seems longer. The furniture in this unit was Thomas Payne furniture. It felt overall of a really nice quality. The table pulls out large enough that you could fit 6 people. Probably not too comfortably, but if you had to, you could. I don't know if this unit comes with the option of a booth instead of the table and chairs, but Northwood seems to use booths in other units, so it could be a possibility. Northwood manufactures all of its own cabinetry, so they're made to the custom size of each unit instead of having a whole bunch of cabinets built and then fitting them in the unit and maybe having extra space or not enough space, those sort of things. So the unit is very custom to each size that you get, instead of a one-size-fits-all type designed for the cabinetry. They do have hardwood faces, and they seem to be very well made. The refrigerator in this fifth wheel was a little bit on the smaller side, but it's plenty large because this is not necessarily designed to be a full-time trailer. It's more designed for the vacationing style, getting out, boondocking, those sort of things. The shower and the toilet area were opposing each other, which I know a lot of people like, but I kind of like having both in the same room. But to each their own. The shower was nice and large, could fit in there very easily. Same with the bathroom or the toilet area. Didn't feel like you were, locked in a coffin or anything like that. The bedroom has a nice sized dresser with a large cedar-lined closet. It also has a king-size bed. I would prefer a queen-size bed, but I know most people prefer the king-size. I just think the queen gives you a little bit more room up in the bedroom area. The bed is located horizontally and goes out on the slide. The exterior of the trailer, very well done, kind of the standard graphics, fiberglass, those sort of things. I did like that it has a very large handle next to the stairs to help people in and out. The door, when you open it, actually has a hinge that keeps it from slamming into the side of the trailer, which is nice. A lot of trailers put very cheap, flimsy fender flares above their wheels, and they say this is so that when you blow out a wheel, they just blow off. But I like when a trailer's fenders don't go flapping as you drive down the road, and these seem to be pretty well built, high quality fenders. I liked how on the storage area, the doors swung side to side. I can't tell you how many times I've stood up too quickly without realizing the door is above my head and smacked into it. Very nice, large, 40-pound propane tanks. This trailer is made to be able to go boondocking, so it's important to have enough propane with you. They have the more-ride hitch on the front, which they have it stuck out far enough, and with the curved design of the front of the trailer, make it so you can tow it with a short bed truck, which is handy for me since I have a short bed truck. Diamond plate up on the front to protect from rocks. I like this added feature. It doesn't look quite as high-end as some trailers, but I think it's more practical. And a very nice prepped generator storage area, or a place to put extra solar batteries or whatever else. Underneath the gooseneck is all fully bonded, so there is no screw holes, which makes it very sturdy and stable. Their slide outs were a rack and pinion system. It seems very similar to the system I have on my carriage trailer. I've seen a lot of Lippert systems and everything, and they all seem to have problems, and I don't know if this one's any better than those ones, but it does seem to work all right on this trailer. They slid in and out really nice. If you get a chance to swing in and look at one of these trailers, go ahead and take that opportunity to see if what you see is the same as what I see, and let me know what you think in the comments. If you like the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and above all, remember to enjoy your weekend.